guys.
Hey guys.
So last night we stayed at Bab Al Shams Resort, and
This is the time we are about to check out in some time after the breakfast.
and also we are gonna inaugurate our drone today, and we're gonna cover many underrated places in this vlog. So stay connected till end. But before that, we will give you a tour of this beautiful property. Come on, let's go. The charm of Arabia is personified in every corner of this property. These are our last 2 days in Dubai. Lots coming up. Also, we are gonna fly the drone for the very first time. Hi guys, good morning or rather good afternoon. This is Varsha and that's the guy Mayur. And we have Nyra. Nyra, say hi to everyone. No, okay. And that's Tripura, and that's our host and our friend Sahil. To Glee Travelers, we are in Dubai. This is day 5th. We are heading to Qudra Lakes. These are man-made lakes which are just 10 minutes away from the resort. And we met this happy guy at the gas station.
Thank you. Hey, we need happy people like you in the world, okay?
We are heading to Qudra Lakes to start our droning session with Sahil, and along with that we are going to enjoy this beautiful waterfront desert area. These are artificial lake, but you can come here for a picnic or bird watching. And my first drone flight, here I go! That's Mayur's first flight. He goes higher than me. Thanks to Sahil for giving us our first drone class.
राइस जो बोलते हैं वो इट्स लाइक अ बिरयानी बट इट इज कुक्ड इन अंडरग्राउंड वो 4-5
चलो मंदी खाते फिर.
This was the time to go for the lunch, and we have come to this Mandi restaurant for some good food. So after lunch, Sahil has taken us to this beautiful place to explore. This is Madinat Jumeirah. This is an Arabian mini city in Dubai itself. They have built this river, and across the river you can see there are these 5-star properties which are facing the sea.
So this is like their big amphitheater space. And they have like this yearly film festival and that in the winter time. So they have this like even bigger screen than this they keep here.
Whereas on this side of the river you will find the famous Souk market, the Souk Madinat Jumeirah.
Oh, you're trying to take my gold bar, huh?
Soap. It's
What
soap.
is this, chocolate?
No,
soap.
it's camel milk soap.
Camel
These are
milk.
handmade soap.
Thank you.
Thank you. This place is definitely an experience in itself because you will find different restaurants with different cuisines, to amphitheater, to Abra rides. There's a lot to explore over here. So guys, this is one of the place you should add to your list. This is Madinat Jumeirah. Next time you are in Dubai, you can definitely spend 5 to 6 hours and almost a day over here.
The beach front. So उसके पीछे बिल्कुल beach है.
Beach है. Okay.
So to go there, you have to take a boat and go.
This looks like an adventurous day. Right now we have come to this secret beach. This is not secret beach as such, but you can say kind of less known beaches, but still really beautiful beach. I'll put the Google location of this place in the description below. After enjoying this beautiful beach, we are just going to Rove Hotel to check in and drop our luggage and head back for the dinner. Hey, I love the room. Because we are staying so near to Marina, we also got a chance to have a walk till Marina. It's around 2 kilometers and we are enjoying the views. Guys, here's the staying tip. If you get a good hotel, you should stay in Marina area because everything is very nearby. You can just walk down. This place is more happening. We have stayed in Bar Dubai also. We really like the vibes of Marina and there's a lot to do here in Marina. और हम लोग डिनर के लिए बॉम्बे बेगम करके एक रेस्टोरेंट में आए हैं. दिस इज़ अ इंडियन cuisine रेस्टोरेंट एंड डेफिनेटली गुड फूड हियर. Some Turkish ice cream. Nah, we are more fan of ice gula than ice candies. This one is yours. And this is mine. This was a big adventurous day and this is the time to say good night and head back to the hotel. Good morning guys. We have this beautiful view to our window. We got up late because we were very tired yesterday and we are just going to pick coffee from this in-house restaurant.
Hey guys,
Hi guys.
लोग का दुबई से एग्जिट है तो 48 आवर्स से पहले
We need to have a COVID test and we are going for a drive-through COVID test.
ड्राइव थ्रू सेंटर में हमें 4-5 घंटे लग गए टेस्ट के लिए, which was not good. Right now we are in downtown and we are taking Dubai Metro to head to Deira city center. This is a good mall in Deira and Mayur wanted to explore few brands. So we decided to explore this mall and do the shopping here along with our lunch. And after few hours by the evening, Sahil also joined us because from here we are gonna head to another place. And we are heading to this beautiful old Dubai.
Oh, it's like
Yeah.
and this one tea house also. Like inside you go, वो courtyard के अंदर restaurant बनाया है, cafe बनाया
टी
है.
हाउस का नाम क्या था?
Arabian tea house. पीछे की लाइन में मंदिर है.
इधर?
हाँ.
किस चीज का?
3-4 मंदिर है. एक गणपति मंदिर है, एक गुरुद्वारा है, एक दूसरा साउथ इंडियन टेम्पल है. So all the temples of Dubai are in that area.
In that area.
Currently we are passing the traditional old Dubai and we are heading towards the spice and gold souks. We are also going to take the Abra boat which is very famous, which is we have to take from Dubai Creek and it will lead to Spice Souk. We have parked the vehicle and now we are heading to Dubai Creek to take the boat. You can also add Dubai Creek to your list. This is also one place where you can come and have some dinner or evening snacks. If you're in this area, you must have a night boat ride. This is really beautiful. Look at us, 3 musketeers, trying to explore as much as we can.
Cross करके इधर आए.
Okay.
We are now going to go here in the Spice Souk
Okay.
and go across, and then this is the Gold Souk. And then we come back, we go back.
So this is the entrance of Old Dubai Spice Market और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मसालों की बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है.
This is like अपना Crawford market.
Yes. This area now which area we are going into
Yeah.
is more like Crawford Market.
Yeah, where you get things in wholesale and
in fact,
good price.
yeah. One area is full exactly like Crawford Market because it's full of boris.
Oh wow.
And this is the famous gold souk where everyone comes to purchase gold. So after finishing our gold souk tour, we are heading to Dubai Mall. Actually, we want to go to Timeout. So Timeout is another place which should be on your list. This is just right opposite the Dubai Mall. This is inside this mall, this traditional mall, kind of bazaar setup. And in this mall, the Timeout is at first floor. This is an exclusive food court, and also you can enjoy the fountain views from this place. Let me show you. I guess this is the best place to enjoy the Dubai fountain. This is the tallest performing fountain in downtown Dubai, and this is at the foot of Burj Khalifa. Right now we are hungry, so let's get in and head to this Timeout food court.
Eating and you come and sit here. That's also bar.
Timeout is basically a food court. There are different restaurants with different cuisine, and they have a outlet over here. So you have a lot of options to choose from, that too from the top of the restaurants, and this all at one place. And this is time to say bye to the Burj and Dubai Mall, and we are going to head back to our hotel. Good morning, people. End of our day in Dubai, last day in Dubai. Dramebaz. You can see smile, eat, explore, sleep, repeat. That's what we are doing. And we still have few more hours. We should reach airport by 5:30, around 3 to 4 hours before, because we also want to claim some back. And 3
और मस्त है भाई, पैसा ज़्यादा लगता है बट मज़े भी आते हैं बहुत.
तो बाकी का दिन त्रिपु, नायरा और साहिल से मिलेंगे हम लोग, और थोड़ा
ये हम लोग अभी लंच करेंगे.
We have checked out and we are waiting for Tripura to pick us up. We are going out for lunch at this place called Beirut. What a better way to have our last meal of the trip at this beautiful restaurant called Beirut. Just love the food and the mocktails here. We just met Nyra and now we are heading towards the airport. हाल कैसा है जनाब का?
Hey guys.
So finally we are at home and right now it's 5 a.m. Correct, that's India time. And we are dead. We landed 1:35. We came out of the flight by 2 a.m. and it's 5 a.m. we are at home. So this much time to do what? For immigration, for customs, to check your air suvidha papers, to check your declaration, then to do your test. RT-PCR test was worst. The whole system was really all over the place. Hoping जब आप लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं इंटरनेशनली तब इतनी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ना हों और सिस्टम थोड़े बेटर हो जाएं. That's all from us for this Dubai series.
Trip, yeah.
We had lots of fun. You had seen that, and this obviously gives us another reason to travel more, and we are going to travel more. If you like our vlog, please go share, like and subscribe to our channel.
And we miss you, Sahil, Tripura and Nyra.
Yes.
You guys made our trip so awesome.
Correct. Sahil, we can't thank you enough for all the information, all the tips and all last minute help.
Yeah, like हम लोग दुबई एयरपोर्ट पे भी अटक गए,
stuck हो गए थे
और हमने अपनी फ्लाइट ऑलमोस्ट मिस करने वाली थे. बिकॉज यू नो द सिस्टम. जो टाइमलाइन दिया ना उससे 1 घंटा पहले ही पहुंचने की कोशिश.
Especially when you are traveling internationally.
Yeah. So guys, bye for now.
Take care of yourself and stay connected and whatever makes your soul happy.
Do that. पसीने से लटको हो गया यार मैं. Bye.
Bye.